No, this woman is not laundering money. What she is doing is printing the design of a banknote onto a piece of leather as she plans to create a truly unique wallet. She is using a special printing technique using the clothes iron to transfer the intricate details of the banknote onto the leather. This method ensures that the design is crisp, clear, and long-lasting. She then placed her credit cards between cardboard rectangles to replicate their shapes on another piece of leather. This meticulous person strives for perfection in her project and is taking all the necessary precautions to ensure an excellent result. After carefully cutting the leather with a box cutter, making sure she has a steady hand, she applied adhesive to the surface. This allows her to join the two pieces of leather together. Then, using a craft tool that looks like a brush, she makes holes in the wallet all around the edge. She only needs to press the tool against the leather to open the holes. This way, it is easier for her to sew the leather with strong thread without having to poke it with the needle every time. It is also a neat technique. Even the stitching makes the work look much more elegant, right? When the girl finishes sewing the wallet, she cuts the thread and burns the ends so that they do not come loose. The wallet is taking shape. To make sure it doesn't open at the edges, the girl spreads some clear glue and then uses a wooden tool, similar to a honey spoon, on the edge, which seals it well. She also tidies up the corners. Now, it's time to add the finishing touches to the wallet to make it as functional as it is pretty. For example, the girl makes a hole in one end and inserts a magnetic button for a better closure. Using the credit card as a measure again, the girl cuts another rectangle of leather. But here she adds an important detail. She uses the print of her thumb to make a hole to help remove the card from the wallet. It's so annoying when they get stuck inside. In addition to this clever trick, the girl also makes a couple of openings in the wallet to store her other cards. They fit perfectly. She had it all planned out. Wow, this wallet is so impressive. It's the perfect size to hold your credit or debit cards, with a super comfortable and simple closure, yet secure, and an original, beautiful, and elegant design. Imagine the satisfaction of pulling out this unique wallet every time you need to pay. It's a conversation starter for sure. And let's not forget the practicality. It's slim and fits perfectly in your pocket or purse. It doesn't take up space in your purse or pocket. Ready to have your payment methods on hand whenever you need them. This woman deserves a round of applause for her idea because it really impressed me. What about you?